G'day guys, Greg here. Now I gotta tell you, I got really excited when I opened my phone today and saw KFC's got a new Naked Zinger box. I haven't had KFC in months and I am fanging for some. So how about we go and get this Naked Zinger box and suss out what we get inside? Let's go get it! Alright, well, the first place I went to didn't have some of the ingredients, so I'm going to have to go to another KFC through the drive-thru. Yes, haven't been to the drive-thru in ages.
How can we help you?
Can I get a Naked Zinger box, please?
Regular with a Pepsi?
That's the one.
Is that all?
Yes, thanks.
Thank you.
Good, they've got it. I still don't know how much it is. We'll find out. Thank you. $13.45. Huh. That's funny. I thought it was $12.95. That's inflation for you. It's already gone up 50 cents since this morning. God. Probably be 18 bucks by this time tomorrow. Jeez, better get in quick, fellas.
Bacon and cheese box?
Naked Zinger box?
Sorry, how many nuggets did you want?
No, Naked Zinger box.
Oh, okay. I think they're the same price. I'll just be right back.
She's going to give me a bacon and cheese box. Now I need to know what the bacon and cheese box has in it.
Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you. That's quite a box. And I can't wait to see what we get inside. Let's find a park so we can open it up and tuck on in. All right, well, here we are. Decided to come down to the Brisbane River to suss out this KFC box. But anyway, here's the box. $12.95 it costs. I got charged $13.45 for a box that, well, I didn't even know existed. But let's see if they got this order right. Who knows? Well, for starters, it comes with a can of drink. You ripper. Right, what's in the box? By the way, I'm right under a flight path here too, so who knows how noisy this video will be. But here we go. Ooh, folks, cobbers, sheelers, blokes, whatever else there is. Here's the bag here. Oh good, it's got some utensils. Nice greasy ones, yum. I'll be licking the grease off that later, that's for sure. But what did we get in here? Well, looks like a potato and gravy, you ripper. And there's supposed to be 2 Wicked Wings, which the other shop had actually sold out of. And I've got 2 Zinger fillets here. Oh, I got 3 Wicked Wings. Oh, even better. And a packet of chips. 2 Zinger fillets, 3 wings, and a packet of chips. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to get 2 wings or 3 wings with this, but I'm going to go with 3. KFC me. Well, here we go, a Zinger fillet. Just on its own. Naked. I am a bit of a naturist at heart, so I don't mind that. Now, I don't think I've ever had just a Zinger fillet on its own, so let's go. Wow. There's the meat inside there. It's actually kind of chewy on its own. Although the breast piece usually is a little bit chewier than the rest of the chicken. I think I may have preferred some original recipe, but the zinger's alright. It's got a nice little kick to it, that's for sure. Now, how about these wings? What are they like? Well, this wicked wing here, it's got like all these hairs and stuff growing off it here. Is that hair or is it mould? It's got a dingleberry as well. Now, I'm not too sure if I prefer it to be hair or mould, to be quite honest. What is that stuff? They baby chicken feathers? Don't think I want to eat that piece. Let's try another one. A hairless piece. Ah, yes. That one looks better. Okay. That chicken in the wing. It really is juicy and quite delicious. And mixed in with that zinger coating on the outside. Mate, it's going down an absolute treat. Now, I haven't even got to try any of their chips yet. This bag's only looks about half full. Even when I do fill it up from the dregs that's in the bottom. Right, chip me. Oh. Gee. I think they might have forgotten to cook these ones. And add some seasoning. Where's an ibis when you need one? Although it does come with a potato and gravy too. If the gravy's hot enough, I might be able to dip the chips in it, and hopefully that'll half cook them. I can only hope. Gravy. Oh yeah. Oh. I bet those people flying in right now are looking out that window at me eating this and wishing that they were having this instead of whatever crap that the Qantas serves on their flights. Sucked in. Right, some chips and gravy, my favourite. It's my favourite if the chips are cooked. Anyway, I think I've had enough of this meal to know what score it's getting out of 10. Well, it comes with a can of drink. Sweet as, mate. I know what I'll be having my Jamesons with tonight. Value-wise, $12.95, $13.45. Who knows how much it costs? But whatever it costs, I don't know if it's worth its money. Flavour-wise, well, it's just a Zingers and Zinger and Zinger. No original recipe, which is my favourite. But I know people out there love the Zinger, so, well, if you're into Zingers, you'll probably like this box. Although, I'm not really into it, and, well, that's fine, I'll still eat it. But it's going to take me a while to eat it, so it's going to last even longer. The Zinger fillet, well, I mean, it's chewy, but crunchy, and a little bit spicy and a little bit nicey. Still, I find the Zinger coating to be quite flavourless, and, well, I wish it'd have a few more of the 11 secret herbs and spices in it, that's for sure. The Wicked Wing, well, the Wicked Wing's alright. If you can find one that's not all hairy with dingleberries hanging off it. Otherwise, inside's nice and juicy and quite tasty. The chips, well, the chips are pretty average. They were hardly cooked and had no seasoning. They were terrible today. And this potato and gravy, well, I mean, it's second best to Red Rooster. It tastes alright, but this whole meal was actually a little bit depressing. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the Naked Zinger box, I think it deserves a 6 out of 10. I'm really not enjoying this Zinger box. I'm not really into Zingers, and well, this box is just full of them. The coating on the Zinger is really bland and boring tasting, and well, the only thing I'm liking in this box is the Wicked Wings here. Although you probably want one without the hair and dingleberries, but they are quite tasty, and I really enjoy the chicken inside. Even though the coating's not the best, it's still pretty good. The chips today, they were terrible. And, well, the potato and gravy, it's always second best to Red Rooster, but hey, it's still alright. But, yeah, I think if you're really into Zingers, you'll enjoy this. If not, I probably wouldn't be getting the Zinger box, that's for sure. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and see what else is going to start flowing down that Brisbane River. Who knows? I can also watch the planes come in as well, so that's a bonus. Anyway, thanks for watching today, and I'll see you next time I eat some KFC. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are famous.